Ayan, good day mga ka-cellmate. So, papakita ko sa inyo na talagang napaka-legit itong cellmate application. Magbibigay siya ng free dollars. Ayan, so mag-withdraw tayo ngayon. Ayan, so yan yung makikita nating laman ng aking earnings. 0.4296. Ayan, withdraw natin yan. Click lang tong withdraw. Withdraw. Then, pili natin ang GCash. Then, confirm. Ito yung confirm. Then, yung mobile number, yung GCash natin. Then, pangalan. Pablo. Yan, yung amount 4296. So, yan. Double check natin. Yan. So, tama naman lahat. Then, click natin ang verify. Yan. Click. Double check natin. 0995834096. So, tama. Click ang confirm. Then, ayan, na-withdraw na siya. Congrats, you have successfully withdrawn this amount to your account. You will receive it in 3 days. So, check natin. Check natin sa message natin. So, yun natanggap natin, $0.43. Yan. So, ganun lang siya kabilis mag-request ng payout.